Hello everyone, welcome to second video, that is life processes in living organism part 2. In previous video we have seen about the introductory portion of life processes in living organism. In that, by mistakenly I said that is redox reaction. It is not redox reaction, it is reflex action. By mistakenly I have pronounced it, that is a redox reaction, but it is reflex reaction. Reflex reaction is also a part of our life. So that is the concept which deals with the reflex reaction is nothing but the like that. That is whatever the combinations are there, we'll just, if we'll get the heat, if we'll get the injury, that time we suddenly reflect to it. So that is also a part of our life. So today we are going to discuss about the type of reproduction. In that previously we have seen in the video, that is there are two type of production, that is asexual and sexual reproduction. Reproduction, there are also two types, sexual and second one is asexual. Okay, next. So today we are going to discuss about asexual reproduction. Which is also divided into two types, that is asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. First one is unicellular organism and second one is asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. Okay, so unicellular, you know very well unicellular, what is meant by unicellular. So in this video module we are going to discuss about only and only asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. So what we are going to discuss in this phenomenon, that we are going to discuss about asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. So before start this, I am just going to write down over here, that is asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms, and afterwards we are going to discuss it in detail. So first of all we will have to see about reproduction and its type of reproduction. So as we know very well, it does not involve any function or any fusion of a gamete. Asexual reproduction does not require any fusion of a gamete. They can form their offspring without contacting with each other, which means directly parent cell is converted into two daughter cells in that reproduction. The type of reproduction is and in this type of reproduction, the function of gametes or the function of an involuntary activities are changed in the number of chromosomes. So these are also three types. So asexual reproduction, the type of reproduction is a reproduction in which does not involve any fusion of a gamete or change in the number of chromosomes. There are directly fusion and the new gametes will be formed, or the new organelle will be formed from the first parental cell to the daughter cell. So in that case we are going to discuss about it and these are also divided into three portions. First of all, binary fission. Binary fission. Second one is, first one is binary fission, second one is multiple fission. Third one is budding. Third one is budding. So in that we are going to discuss about binary fission. Binary fission is nothing but the division of a single entity into two or more parts and the regeneration of those parts to separate entity resembling to the original one. Whatever the original quantities are there, they are directly transmitted or they are directly converted into two different entities which are exactly similar as their parental one. These known as binary fission. So in prokaryotic, bacteria is an example of binary fission. In eukaryotics or in protista, Amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena was the examples. Next, and in eukaryotic, cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast perform asexual reproduction by the binary fission. So in this case, or in this process, the parent cell divide into two different daughter cell, means two daughter cell, means one parent cell is converted into two daughter cell. So it is occur by the mitosis or antimeiosis. What is meant by mitosis? Mitosis is nothing but the cell division result into two daughter cell even having the same number and the kind of a chromosomes as the parent nucleus. Whatever the number of chromosomes are present in the parent nucleus, these are parent nucleus are exactly same in their daughter cell also, and in this type of cell division result into two daughter cells. Next, amitosis means what? Sorry, amitosis means what? Amitosis is nothing but it is also known as karyocytosis, which is nothing but the in which direct cell division occurs by the binary fission. So this is nothing but the binary fission. So axis of fission is different for different organelles or the different protistas. Means some of these are nothing but the plane, some of fissions are occur in the simple binary, someone transverse binary, and another one is a longitudinal binary fission. So we are going to discuss it one by one. So firstly we are going to discuss about binary fission. So binary fission, for binary fission we exactly need the phenomenon has to be studied like this. So means actually occurrence usually performs and a binary fission when axis of symmetry is there, you know, multiple time, or usually performed by living organism abundant food material. If there is no food material at that time, this actually happens in binary fission. I am just talking about amoeba. So amoeba is the plane, because amoeba, sorry, amoeba has plane because it do not have any fixed shape. Because of that, the fission in the amoeba is simple binary fission. Second one is Paramecium. Second one is Paramecium. Paramecium is nothing but in Paramecium the transverse binary fission occur. In Paramecium transverse binary fission occur, and in Euglia the longitudinal binary fission occurs. See, so occurrence in first of all we are going to discuss about amoeba, plane, no fixed axis. We know very well amoeba, structure of amoeba, we will write it down like this. This is the amoeba. Okay, structure of amoeba don't have any fixed structure. That's the reason the fission occurs in the amoeba in the different stages are as much as they don't have any fixed dimension, fixed space. So it performs by an amoeba in a smaller protista. Means stop transformation of pseudopodia. When this process occurs, at that time it stops the formation of a pseudopodia. Because of that, if pseudopodia stops, at that time lack of food occurs, and if there is a lack of food, which means there is a that much of food is not present over there. So at that time it adverse conditions will be get reversed. Because of that, it amoeba started covering its cytoplasm with a thick wall membrane, which also known as a cyst, When the cysts are formed, at that time we clearly seen that these cysts converted amoeba or the plane of an axis, plates of an amoeba into a various number of amoeba started developing throughout it. Many nuclei are formed by repeated nuclear division in the cyst, followed by a cytoplasmic division. Many amoeba are formed in the adverse condition. Cyst breaks and many amoeba forms called multiple amoeba generation. Right now over here you are seeing that is how the amoeba exactly form, or it will be how the amoeba divides into two split ups. In this video or in the screen you are able to see it properly, how the amoeba will be get fission occur in the amoeba. Next is paramecium. In the paramecium, that is, it is nothing but the transfers of binary fission, which means it transfers from one fish to fission to another one. Right now on the screen you are able to see the binary fission in paramecium also, and the same right now you are seeing on the screen, that is paramecium, and afterwards you are seeing the euglena. So euglena is nothing but the longitudinal binary fission. In euglena the buds or the cytoplasmic buds are formed into a two different daughter cell. So this is the asexual reproduction which we have seen in this module. In that also we have seen about the unicellular organisms. So in next we are going to discuss about the binary fission in multicellular organism in next video. For that you will get the notification, and for the notification you have to subscribe my channel. You have to press the bell icon also on all, so you will get the notification whenever I'll upload the video. I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you like this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.